This is the 440E Lifeline 5 demo, take one.
Gentlemen, thanks for coming today. Appreciate it. My name's Richard. If you prefer Dick, go right ahead.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Welcome to Dick's Chicken Plucking Farm. I've asked you here today because we've had issues with our conveyor systems. Originally, they put all these chickens on our conveyors live, and they were jumping all over the place. We couldn't get them. So we decided to kill them all.
Okay.
So now we've got dead chickens on a conveyor, but when they do pile up, they tend to fall off. We've had people injured. We've had people pulling chickens from everywhere to get them back on the conveyors to get them to the packing house. So I needed to see what you have to help us with our conveyor systems, some way to stop the conveyor when we have a jam up or a fall off or whatever with these dead chickens. What do you got?
Well, Trevor's here with me today.
Great, Trevor. Nice to meet you.
He's a new employee, and he's going to be learning to do what I do as a specialist on safety products and industrial control products. And this is one of our safety products.
Okay.
And the good part, this is a new Lifeline 5 cable pull switch. These are normally used where conveyors are, and people can like reach into the conveyor, and if they get caught, they can hit this thing. Now the difference between the Lifeline 5 and our older cable pull switches is that this is solid state. The old one was mechanical, and it had contacts inside that would open and close. And the other one, when somebody would trip it, it would loosen up the cable, and you'd have to reset it by tightening the cable back up and resetting the switch, and it was really difficult. This one's easy to set up, and right now you can see that it's in a fault mode because it's not set up right. The way you set this up is you have a spring on the outside. It's solid state. It has 4 outputs that you get from this, that you can go to your PLC or your safety contactor. And when you tighten this up, see how the light flashes?
Oh, yeah.
It goes faster until it gets to where it's correct. And now it's off. And if I reset this button, now it says it's good.
It's set and good. Okay.
Now, if somebody trips this like that, now it's tripped. But you still have the same tension on the cable. You just push the button to reset it. The old one you had to turn, and it was real difficult to do. This one's much better to do. Plus, with the solid state, there used to be a problem with the mechanical ones where the cable stretches after a while.
Okay.
And the old one would trip. The solid state, it monitors that, and it'll allow it to stretch a little bit but won't trip. It needs to be pushed to be tripped.
Oh, great.
And we also have a fully NEMA 4X stainless steel model.
Oh, this is interesting because we have this tied into PLC and it's in a washdown environment. That's probably good for
It
that,
is.
isn't it?
This
That's
is for
probably the
food
direction.
processing, and that's what you are.
Dead chickens.
So you don't
Gotta
even
have
need
it.
this e-stop because you'll have this all the way along the conveyor.
That's great.
We can go 100 meters. So that's over 300 feet,
Wow.
which is really nice.
Wow. Trevor, you getting all this?
I am.
This
yes.
is a great opportunity to see how this works, isn't it?
It really
So,
is, isn't it?
You want to reset that? Look at that.
Look at that. Even a new guy can do it. This
That's
is
exactly
perfect
right.
for me.
So this solves a lot of issues on conveyor cable pull switches. So buy the 440E cable pull switch.
I love it. I'll buy it.
All right.